How to fix target app crashing. In order to fix crashing or update issue with the target app, you could go with the basic troubleshooting steps like checking your internet connections. Go to settings on your device, locate network and internet from the list, and here you just want to go to internet section and make sure to switch between mobile data or maybe Wi-Fi, or maybe you could just check your router as well. Next, while you're on the settings section, you also want to go to the app list, locate target from this section, and make sure to go to storage and cache and clear cache. That might also be able to help. Now that you've done this, still if you're having issue, head over to your respective app store, type in target on the web on the search bar, and make sure to update the app to the latest version as well. If nothing works out, then you know the drill. You could simply uninstall your app, at the same time restart your device, and that is also going to help you out fix target app crashing. So with that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.